Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game and tackle tough grime with ease, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure washers for 2024. Whether you're washing your car, patio, or siding, these pressure washers will make the job a breeze. Let's get started. Number 5. Powrite Electric Pressure Washer. First off, let's talk design. The Powrite electric pressure washer has a sleek, modern look with a compact, space-saving design. It's built to be sturdy with durable materials that can handle tough cleaning jobs. Plus, it's lightweight, which makes it easy to maneuver around your yard or garage. Setting up the Powrite is a breeze. It comes with a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, giving you plenty of reach without needing extra extension cords. The assembly is straightforward. Just attach the hose and nozzle, and you're good to go. Now, let's put it to the test. The Powrite boasts a powerful motor that delivers up to 1,800 psi of pressure. That's more than enough to tackle grime, dirt, and even stubborn stains. Here, we're cleaning a dirty patio, and as you can see, it cuts through the muck effortlessly. One of the standout features is its adjustable spray nozzle. You've got 4 different settings: 0 degrees and 15 deg, 25 deg, and 40 deg, perfect for different cleaning tasks. The 0 deg nozzle is great for tough, concentrated spots, while the 40 deg is ideal for rinsing and wider coverage. Another great feature is the detergent tank. It's built in and makes applying soap a lot easier. Just fill it up, and you're ready to tackle those more stubborn stains without having to juggle multiple tools. The Powrite electric pressure washer also comes with a thermal relief valve that prevents overheating and extends the lifespan of the machine. Plus, its built-in safety features include an automatic shutoff when the trigger is not in use. Number 4. Greenworks GPW1501. Next up at number 4, we have the Greenworks GPW1501 electric pressure washer. This compact and efficient machine is perfect for those who need a reliable cleaner for light to medium-duty tasks. The Greenworks GPW1501 is equipped with a 13-amp motor that produces up to 1,500 psi of pressure and a 1.2 GPM flow rate. Its compact design makes it easy to store and maneuver, and it's great for cleaning patios, cars, and small driveways. This model features a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 25-foot power cord, providing you with ample reach for most tasks. The built-in soap applicator allows you to apply detergent with ease, and it also comes with a quick connect nozzle for different spray patterns. While it doesn't have the highest pressure on our list, the Greenworks GPW1501 offers excellent value and is perfect for those who need a reliable, budget-friendly option. Number 3. Karcher K5 Premium. Coming in at number 3 is the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Karcher is known for its high-quality pressure washers, and the K5 Premium lives up to that reputation with its robust features and performance. The Karcher K5 Premium features a 2,000 psi motor and a 1.4 GPM pound flow rate. It's equipped with a water-cooled induction motor, which extends the lifespan of the unit and provides consistent performance. One of the standout features is its Vario Power Spray Wand that lets you adjust the pressure easily with a twist. It also comes with a 300 deck cleaner for efficient cleaning of larger flat surfaces and a 25-foot high-pressure hose. The Karcher K5 Premium is known for its durability and high performance. It's a bit pricier, but it's well worth the investment for those who need a powerful and reliable pressure washer. Number 2. Ryobi 1,800 psi, 1.2 GPM. Number 2 on our list, the Ryobi 1,800 psi, 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer. If you're searching for a powerful and efficient pressure washer for your home projects, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what makes this Ryobi model stand out. First impressions matter, and the Ryobi 1,800 psi electric pressure washer makes a solid one with its sleek, compact design. It's built to be durable and user-friendly, featuring a sturdy handle and robust wheels for easy maneuverability. Setting up this Ryobi is quick and straightforward. It comes with a 35-foot power cord and a 25-foot high-pressure hose. That's a great combination for reaching all those hard-to-get-to spots around your home without having to deal with tangled cords. The Ryobi pressure washer packs a punch with its 1,800 psi and 1.2 GPM flow rate. Whether you're cleaning your driveway, siding, or deck, This model delivers effective cleaning power to tackle dirt and grime with ease. Watch how effortlessly it cleans this dirty patio. Another feature we love is the onboard nozzle storage. The Ryobi includes 3 quick connect nozzles, 15 gallon, 25 and 40 gallons, each designed for different cleaning tasks. From focused streams for stubborn stains to broader sprays for larger areas, you've got the right tool for the job. Don't forget about the detergent tank. This model features a built-in soap tank that makes applying detergent super easy. Just fill it up, and you're ready to add a cleaning boost to your pressure washing routine. The Ryobi pressure washer is designed with convenience in mind. It includes a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating, which helps extend the life of the unit. Plus, the total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging pump life. So, what's our verdict? The Ryobi 1-800 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a reliable and powerful machine for home use. It's efficient, easy to set up, and comes with features that make cleaning a breeze. Thought number 1, Westinghouse WPX 3200. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Westinghouse WPX 3200 electric pressure washer. This powerhouse combines impressive performance with durability, making it our top pick for 2024. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 boasts an impressive 3,200 psi of pressure with a 2.5 GPM chaw flow rate. This makes it one of the most powerful electric pressure washers on the market, perfect for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It features a high-pressure hose that extends up to 25 feet and a 35-foot power cord for great reach. The system includes a adjustable spray wand and a U-foam cannon, allowing you to tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 is also known for its durable construction array and easy-to-use controls, making it a favorite among users who need reliable power for tough jobs. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, the performance and features make it worth every penny. And there you have it, folks. Our countdown of the top 5 best electric pressure washers for 2024. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a high-powered machine for heavy-duty tasks, each of these options has something special to offer. Let us know in the comments which pressure washer caught your eye, or if you have any questions about these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in home improvement and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.